Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am unboxing this grid cloth from Matthews. I've already cut it open just to speed up the unboxing, so I'll just take it out of the bag and then I'll give you a little close-up. So these are just some of the little strings to be able to tie off the eyelets with. I'll give you a close-up of those. Look like really nice, good quality material. And then this is the grid cloth. I'll just pop the sticker up so you can see exactly the name of it, etc. So it's a silent grid cloth, which I think it just means it won't make a noise in the wind, I think. Still experimenting with all these new light things. And it's called a light silent grid cloth, as you just saw. This is a 6x6 foot. So I think they come in a 4, an 8 and a 12. As far as I know. I'll leave some links below. And this is sort of what it looks like close up. I'll give you a, I don't know if you can see, but in the fabric, once we unfold it, I'll just drop it down to the ground. There's sort of like a little grid pattern there, which I think directs the light straight rather than making it beam. And then on the 4 corners, you've got the elastic. So you can, this has actually been quite good with the muslin one. You just, rather than doing the eyelets, you can just clip it over something, which is really handy. And then you've got the eyelets as well, which you can tie off with those little strings that I showed you. And it's like that all the way around. So whichever way you want to do, put it up, you can, you know, tie it off easily. You don't have to muck around with which way it goes. So what I'll do now is, as you can see, I'm currently filming with just the Niwa SL60W light and just a really small sort of diffused 5-in-1 diffusion disc. So we'll take a look at my face now and we'll put this up and spread the light along a big surface and we'll see if that makes any difference. So I'll just turn this way so you can see the shadows, etc., and we can compare them. All right, so I'll go and hang that up now and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I am back. This was the reflector that I was using, so you can see the size of it roughly. And what do you think about the new light? So where was I standing? About here, I think. We've got same settings on the camera and I've just got 30% of the light on. So I don't know. Hopefully this exposure is pretty similar. What do you think? I'll do a few turns. The light does seem softer and much more sort of spread out instead of being quite harsh. I hope that's what I can see on the screen. Let's go to a comparison. And what do you think? I think you can see there that the light is much softer on that other picture. To my eye, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear what all of you have to say. And also, if you've got any questions or anything else you want to add to this video, then just leave it down below as well. And subscribe if you want to see more from me. I'm planning to do a lot more filming sort of content. So yeah, that's it from me for now. And I'll leave all the links to the things I use in this video and etc. in the description so you can have a look and the settings. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.